Hey friends, how's it going? This is David, your SoftWave technician with Twin City Health. Hey, I'm here to talk with you a little bit about your shoulder. We're going to talk a little bit about anatomy, then we're going to talk about how SoftWave technology can help improve your shoulder health. We're going to look at how it decreases inflammation and pain and gets you back to doing what you love to do. So, first off, anatomy. Let's look at a shoulder. So, we've got a shoulder x-ray here. We're going to talk about it very briefly. We've got the clavicle right here. You're going to feel that right around there if you put your finger there. We've obviously got the humerus right here in the shoulder joint. This is a ball and socket joint, which means that it is very mobile. Lots of potential for movement, which means that it needs a lot of stability in your muscles. One last thing I'm going to note is that this is the acromion, this bone that's right next to my pinky. So the acromion is actually the front part of your scapula, which is what some people call your angel bone there in the back. So the reason I'm sharing about that is this little area right here is called the AC joint. So we're also going to talk a little bit about common issues that we find with shoulders, common things that we treat with SoftWave. Those are going to be, first off, AC joint separation. So that portion that I showed you on the x-ray, sometimes that can become separated, or we also see where it can become really crunchy to where there's actually no more space between the acromion and the clavicle. That can cause a lot of pain, a lot of inflammation. Very common, can happen with overuse. We also treat a lot of frozen shoulders. So this we see a lot in the female population. We see it happen when people have surgery and they're not using their shoulder for a long time, and you lose that mobility. You're not able to reach your arm up over your head. So SoftWave can be really helpful with that. We treat those AC joint separations. We also just treat general shoulder impingement. So any kind of soft tissue, muscular issue in your shoulder capsule, we're going to help treat that. So the way that happens is SoftWave is going to make this loud clicking sound. That loud clicking sound is sending acoustic waves into your body. It is telling your body, hey, this area really needs help. It needs increased blood supply, so it's going to bring circulation to that area to promote healing. It's going to break up any scar tissue you may have in there from where your body's tried to heal itself. It's also going to recruit stem cells from your body to come to that area to regenerate healthy tissue. So it's going to overall improve your mobility, decrease your pain, and get you back to what you love to do. So follow the link in the description to schedule your discounted first appointment. We'd love to see you in the office sometime soon.